This is a blog post that can be found at elevatesyracuse.com. It's called Signing Up for Rewards Step by Step. And there are literally 5 steps here that will walk you through the process with a little infographic of how to set up your Perkville account. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for one of our members. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this version here on a web browser. So any device that connects to the internet that has a web browser, you can simply navigate to this blog post, click on this link here in step number 3, register for a free Perkville account here. The things that are important to remember are that you need to use the same email that we have on file for you. The majority of earning activities are things that our data track software is facilitating. And what happens is Perkville watches for that activity in data track linked to that email address, and then rewards points to the account in its system that has a matching email address. So just like it's important for the email address to match for our app, it is equally important that it matches for Perkville. You do need to set up an account in order to start earning your points. The system will automatically start awarding points once you've done that, but you do need to go through these steps. Step number 4 down here is very important. Check your email once you go through the process of setting up the account, because you will be asked to verify your email address, and you do need to complete that step in order to start receiving points. So very important that you go through all the way to the end to the point of verifying your email address for Perkville. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go up to step number 3 and register for a free Perkville account here. So what I can do is I can actually just click on that link, and that's going to take me to this perkville.com/biz/8234/earning/. This tail here is what this is called, anything after the .com or the .net or the .org. This tail is specific to Elevate Fitness. So this is important because if you go to perkville.com and you set up the account, there's some extra steps you're going to have to take in order to make sure that your account is linked to Elevate Fitness. But by starting at this link, which I found right in the blog post, you will automatically be joining the Elevate Fitness Perkville program, and we can see that because here's our logo, here's our branding. To join the program, we're going to earn 50 points just for joining. Down here, we've got some information about how you can earn points. If I were to click on perks, it'll show me some things that I can redeem my points for. But we're interested right now in this Join Program Plus 50 Points button, so I'm going to click on that. And this has my information auto-saved because I'm working from my computer. I'm just going to erase that. So I'm actually putting in my fiance's information here. So I'm going to go ahead and click down here where it says Don't Have an Account, Join. And I'm going to click on that Join button. And now here we are. I can sign up with email. So I'm going to pop this email address in here. All right, so that is the email address that matches the membership and data track. I'm going to sign up. Now this is giving me some trouble here because it wants me to log in again. So at this point, I'm going to delete this. At this point, we can look up here and read the banner. Please check your email for your Perkville confirmation message and click the link to complete your registration. So I don't have access to that account because it's not my email address. So Matt is going to have to check his email, click on that link, and that step is going to complete his registration. And then he's going to start earning points for all of his various activities. So super easy to set up an account here. And it's literally just those simple steps. Number 1, click on that link so that you get to our specific URL, and that link can be found most easily in the blog post. Then you are going to navigate to the Join Now plus 50 points button. Then you are going to enter an email address, then you will click on Don't Have an Account, Join. You'll enter an email address, you'll submit, you'll check your email, confirm that email address, and boom, you're good to go. If you have any questions, make sure to comment on our Facebook page, and make sure that you do this soon and you start earning points ASAP. Cool. Thanks, everybody.